Hello and welcome to Continental Tasty Kitchen. Wishing all my lovely viewers a very happy new year. And today we are going to see a very healthy and delicious soup recipe, which is hot and sour soup. So good to enjoy during the chilling winters. Also loaded with different colorful vegetables, this soup is ideal for weight loss too. So friends, let's get started with the recipe. So for this soup recipe, you will need different colorful veggies. Here I have taken some finely chopped cabbage, some finely chopped beans. You can add any other veggies of your choice or even mushrooms. Then here I have taken some sweet corns, some finely chopped carrots. Next you will need some finely chopped garlic and ginger. The quantity of garlic should be slightly more for flavor. Some finely chopped onions as well as some spring onions. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, heat a pot or wok and into it goes around 1.5 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Spread the oil on all the sides of the wok, and when the oil is hot we will add the minced garlic and ginger as well as the finely chopped onions. And on medium flame we will saute them until they turn golden brown and aromatic. Alright, and now time to add the veggies. Here goes the finely chopped beans, cabbage, finely chopped carrots, and the sweet corns. And now on medium flame we will stir them for about a minute. And now we will quickly season them with 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Black pepper and chili flakes you can add according to your spice level. Next goes 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. And finally goes 1 tablespoon of tomato chili sauce. Now mix all the ingredients well. And once the veggies has been well sauteed with these seasonings, we will be adding now some water. I have added here 2 cups of water as I am making this soup for 2 people. Give this a mix. And as the vegetable stock starts to boil, we'll be adding now some cornflour slurry. I have added here 1 tablespoon of cornflour and half a cup of water. Mix this well. And we will let this simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until the soup thickens slightly. And at this stage, we'll be adding the spring onions as well. And it's been 3 minutes I've been stirring this soup, and by now the veggies are cooked and the soup has also thickened slightly. So I will turn off the flame now and arrange the soup in a soup bowl. And friends, here goes our healthy and delicious hot and sour soup into the serving bowl. So friends, I hope you will try this quick, easy, healthy and delicious soup recipe during this winters and enjoy with your families. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe to my channel for more interesting and healthy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.